Alright, so we went to go get gas. I went to go get gas. I'm just driving back home now. I got some. No, guys, drive the speed limit. Drive the speed limit, guys. Gotta drive the speed limit. But yeah, just a nice little cruise back home. Went to go get gas real quick. Went to the bank, and that's it. Like, sometimes there's nothing to record. Like, sometimes people doing other stuff. People, I don't know. People doing their own thing. Sometimes I don't want to go out the house. And that's that. But I got this little video of me driving. Like, a quick little video. I'll roll the window down. No, I'm not gonna roll the window down because then it's gonna sound crazy. It's gonna sound crazy. I know it is. Because all this wind. Once we get back onto like city streets, back into the town, then we good. I'm dropping the camera because then everybody they go, oh, we know where you live at now. No, you don't. You do not. Come on. Yo, people cannot drive. Let's see. Okay, that sounds a bit better. Alright. This person in front of me cannot drive. Like, you're on your brakes. Come on. Let's see. We're gonna get some flutter action. That was mandatory. I'm like a menace to society. But yeah. Little mini drive. Hope y'all like the drive. Sorry if my camera angle is weird in any kind of way. I apologize. I am trying my best though. Like pesto. I low-key want some pizza. It's 10 o'clock though. Pizza spot closed. Pizza spot closed at 10. Not gonna be loud because people live right there. But I'm about to head back home, guys. I just wanted to give y'all a quick little video. Like, nothing much. Like, I just wanted to put something out on YouTube. That's really it. But hope y'all enjoyed the little driving clip. If y'all want to see more of that, just let me know. And thanks for watching. See you on the next one, and I'm out.